In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Telegram bot in N8N. We'll walk through connecting N8N to Telegram, getting a bot token from the official Telegram bot manager, and setting up your workflow so it can receive and respond to messages. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along without any surprises. Start by opening your N8N dashboard in the browser. You'll land on the main workspace where all your automations live. From here, click Create Workflow to open a clean canvas. This is where you'll build the logic your bot will follow. Next, add a Telegram trigger node. This node is the entry point that listens for new messages sent to your Telegram bot. Drag it onto the canvas and make it the first node in your workflow. Think of it as your listener that wakes up your automation whenever someone types to your bot in Telegram. You can leave the other nodes for later. Right now, we just want to connect N8N to Telegram. Now switch over to the Telegram app and search for BotFather. This is Telegram's official tool for creating and managing bots. Open a chat with it and follow the prompts to create a new bot. You'll give your bot a name and a unique username, and BotFather will provide an API token. This token grants N8N permission to receive and send messages on behalf of your bot. Keep it private and never share it publicly. Head back to N8N and open the Telegram trigger nodes credentials section. Paste the token into the credentials field so N8N knows which bot to listen to. If prompted, create new credentials, give them a clear label for your own reference, and save. The trigger node will use that token to establish the connection under the hood. With the trigger ready, you can add additional nodes to process messages or send replies. For example, you might add a Telegram node configured to send a message back to the user, or include logic nodes to check for keywords like start, route different commands, or format dynamic responses. You can enrich messages by pulling data from other services, transforming text, or branching the flow based on conditions all within the same canvas. Keep your paths tidy and label your nodes so the workflow is easy to understand at a glance. That's it, your foundation is set. You've opened N8N, created a workflow, connected a Telegram trigger with a secure token from BotFather, and prepared the building blocks for message processing and replies. Once you flesh out the response logic, your Telegram bot is ready to help.